Mary, I have a big problem.
What happened?
My code is broken, the app is not working, and the client meeting is in 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, what is the error?
It says, cannot read properties of undefined. I don't understand.
Did you check Stack Overflow?
No, what is that?
It is a website. Developers ask questions there and other developers answer.
Like a forum?
Yes, but for code. Very specific, very useful.
Okay, I will try.
Type the error message in the search box, exactly like this.
Like this, cannot read properties of undefined reading map.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, I see many results.
Click the first one. Read the question. Is it the same problem?
Yes, the same error, the same code.
Good. Now read the answers. The green check mark is the best answer.
I see it. It says, add a question mark here, like this, data question mark dot map.
Yes, that is called optional chaining. It checks if the data exists first.
Optional chaining. Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
I added the question mark, I saved the file, I am running the app now.
And?
It is working! Mary, it is working!
Great.
I cannot believe it! One small symbol fixed everything!
That is programming. Sometimes the problem is very small.
How did you know about Stack Overflow?
Every developer uses it, every day.
Every day?
Yes, even senior developers. Nobody remembers everything.
Really? Senior developers too?
Of course, it is not about memory. It's about finding the answer fast.
I feel better now.
Good. Now you know Stack Overflow.
Yes, I will use it every day.
Good idea. Now prepare for the meeting.
Right. The meeting. What do I say to the client?
Just say, the issue is fixed. The app is ready.
Simple like that?
Yes, don't explain the error. Just say it's fixed.
Okay, the issue is fixed. The app is ready.
Perfect.
Mary, thank you. You saved my day.
Stack Overflow saved your day. I just showed you the door.
Yes, Stack Overflow saved my life today.
Welcome to the developer world, John.